welcome back to another video. We're out here on the boat. Say hi, Fugly. Jerwin, say hi. So it's cup match right now, and we're taking the boat out for a few days. We're gonna be in Harrington Sound primarily. We're not gonna go out, are we? Yeah, so we're gonna be primarily in Harrington Sound. So it'll be the first time we ever fish out there, like on a boat. So it's gonna be really exciting seeing what's gonna come out. There's like a lot of people out on their boats today. Hello. That's cup match. Wait, let me see if I can use the flash.
What's that?
Alright guys, so we're here in the middle of Harrington Sound and we're gonna see if anything bites.
Where is he now?
Oh, he's home right now, but he's gonna go visit his uncle tonight. Using the flashlight because I can't see anything. So that's the bait. Gonna let it go over. Oh, I can't see it. Mom, can you put the flashlight? Woo! Oh, sorry.
That's good.
We gotta
Yeah.
nice silk snapper. But we gotta measure it. It has to be at least 10 inches.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. It starts from the left side. Did it reach it? Did it reach it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah, it's
Nice. All right.
Yeah, good size.
Let's go,
Good
guys.
size.
Thank you.
Wow.
Hey.
The first one.
Yeah. All right, guys. It's a keeper. Woo! Nice. All right. Oh yes. Oh. Woo! Oh, breathe. Nice. Go, Dad, go.
Get away.
Oh, it's okay. Woo! Good job, Buggy. It's a good size. Go, Dad, go. Oh. Whoa! Let's go! Get it in! Good job, Dad. Oh.
It's really nice to go net fishing, though.
Yeah. Oh.
Pink, isn't it? Is it?
Fish
We got falconeri back there. Nice.
It's nice, though.
Oh, the bream. It's huge. Big bream. Oh. Whew. Yeah. Oh, crap.
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good one.
nice.
Big, mate.
Yeah. Woo!
Nice one.
Nice. Woo!
All right.
Oh yeah, dude.
Very good.
Good job. Oh.
Jasmine, go for it, Jasmine.
Oh. Go for it. And not that.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, that will make it, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Good size. It's a good size.
Give me a pet. Let's go.
Mami sabi?
Oh.
Oh, right.
Go, Ma.
Go for it, go for it.
Go, Mom, go. Yeah, keep pointing it there, Dad.
Yeah.
Baka brim lang to.
Go on. Come on, go.
Yan na.
Yeah!
Oh, it's big.
All right, Mom.
Nice.
Silky pink. I told you.
Ah,
I told you.
Yeah,
let's go. Ninang.
Alright, go Tess.
Ocean Monte. Ay, nakabuhi ba?
Yeah.
Ano? Yellow ground.
Nice, you know. Look at the moon, guys. It's so bright. It's so beautiful. It's creating a little line. Oh, it's so nice.
Right. That one was mine. Come on, Jasmine. All right.
Let's go.
Good one.
Woo.
Wow.
That one, Mom?
Yeah.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah. Oh, it's fat. Look at his stomach.
Nice.
I think it's
Oh, he's pregnant. Yeah.
It's full of squid.
Oh, that's big. I want to take a picture of that.
Hmm? Want to picture?
No, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Woo. Oh, oh. You got this, Mom. You got this. Ooh. Go, 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 go. Ah, it's a porgy.
Right.
Nice, Mom.
big. Wow.
Good job, Mom. Wow, nice. Go, 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 go. Woo!
All right.
Nice.
This one. Look at this size. It's very
It's a good size.
ano?
All right.
Size.
Good size, good size.
Go, Mom, go.
Go, mommy, go.
Madakoge.
Go, mommy, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Oh my God. It's a bream.
Oh my God, it's big.
This is
Ah, how huge it is.
I always,
See?
yeah, it's a
Huge.
big bream. Oh my gosh.
I always caught like that.
Wow. Go, Ninang, go.
Oh,
What's this? That's a fish that I know.
go,
Yeah.
mommy, go, go, go.
Another
Go,
snapper.
mommy, go, go.
Yeah. All right. Porgy.
Ready?
Yeah, nice, Fugly. Oh my gosh. That thing's huge. Yeah. Nice, Fugly. Dang.
Ito, one time.
Sorry.
Laki ah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Double,
yun,
double,
yun.
double, double. Hey, bream.
Si Junjun too.
Ano,
Si Junjun,
ano, ano, ano.
ano.
Oh my gosh. Double action. Woo! Bream as well. Both of you are, I don't know. Oh, go, go. Put it in, Dad. Ah, nice, nice, nice. Go, Mommy, go. Oh my gosh.
Guys,
Ako, malaban.
Oh, Mom's really. Good job, Dad.
yeah.
You got this, Mom.
Sana hindi bring.
Getting fish juice all over me. Yeah!
Big one too.
Babagsik ka.
Oh, both of you. Wait, let me take a picture. That's so cute. 2, 1.
Good job.
That's awesome.
Go for it, Jasmine.
Bream.
Ano sa amin?
Let's go. Huh? Oh. Thank you. Aaron. Nice. Oh.
Sabay sila, good.
Nice.
Very good.
It's a nice size one though. Hey.
It's a good thing, a night fishing, right? A lot of fish.
Ooh. Ooh. What's that?
Dito pa, look at that, oh. Oh.
I hope it's not a bream.
Oh, he's huge.
Alright.
The fight was good with that one. Oh my god. Oh,
Yeah,
thing's huge.
big body. Good job, Jasmine.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Good job, German. Wait, show in the camera. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Yeah.
Mukha niya.
Nice. Woo! Oh my God, that's a big squirrel fish.
Squirrel?
Yeah.
That's mine. It's squirrel.
Fun.
Mom loves squirrel. Oh my God, that's huge, Fugly. Yeah. Nice. Woo! We got two. We got two. Oh, nice. Nice, Sherwin. Hey. Yeah, nice, Dad. All right.
Hold it again. I think it's a good size, no?
Now he got it like right at the lip. Yeah, that's a great size.
Ocean Bounty.
Yeah. All right. Oh, thanks, Nina. Nice. Dream.
What?
Oh, it's still on the line. Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh, oh, the silk. Oh, sorry, Nina.
Oh,
Oh, the
the
silk.
small one, Dada.
Yeah, this one looks
Put it
small.
back,
Yes, put it back. Yeah,
Yeah, but let's measure it. But I'm sure this is definitely undersized.
yeah, undersized. Yeah.
Oh, that is 100% small.
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
Come on now, put it back here. Right.
Throw that back.
Be free.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, oh. Yeah.
Alright, good job.
Wow,
Good job, Nina.
big one. Put it back.
Yeah.
Where? Wow.
All right, Nina.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Brim?
Hey.
Brim?
Yeah, Bream.
Is that brim?
No, wala.
Go, Mom, go.
Brim to all.
That doesn't look like it would be a Bream.
That's brim. Lakas nila eh.
Maybe a Porgy.
It's for this.
Right.
I don't know.
Good.
Come on.
Oh, Porgy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my
Big one, Mommy. Good job.
Good job, huh?
Good
Wow.
It's ibang kulay.
Good job, Mom. Wow.
Alright.
Good job, Mom.
Wow.
Big one.
Oh, wow, look at it. It's really bending Dad's rod.
Yeah.
Brim. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's
Nice.
huh?
Come on, go. Yeah.
Good job. That's a big one again, Mommy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
You're good.
that's great, Mom. Oh, yeah. Doable. Alright. Huh? Yeah. Alright, guys. We're heading home now. Right where that light is, that's where we're heading. So we're back on the dock, and this is our catch. We got a mixture of silk snappers, porgies, breams. Ginger got that big squirrel fish. So yeah,
Yeah, it's a good
and
catch.
some of them are so big. Wow.
Nice
So yeah,
fishing.
so silk snappers, they have a bag limit of 30 silk snappers per boat per day. So today, well tonight, we got 28.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're all pretty good sizes. Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, that's about it for the video. It was a super fun day. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.